Desk, the weekly news hour with Gargi. News Frontliner Web Desk Nadia, 22nd December. Gathering of harmony and unity at Kashtadanga Bazaar of Haringghata Police Station, Nadia. Left Council Leader Sujan Chakraborty, Opposition Leader Abdul Manan, Pirzada Ibrahim Siddiqui of Fulfura Sharif, President Alkesh Das. News Frontliner Web Desk, Durgapur, 22nd December. On the one hand, when the joining fare is from one party to another, the left is seen on the road only when the people are needed. The leftists were seen again in the struggle to save the industry in Durgapur with the demands of the people. CPIM joins protest in front of Durgapur Irrigation Department on 21st, demanding renovation of Damodar River Poly renovation, barrage log gates. News Frontliner Web Desk, 22nd December. Artist Sushant Roy monitored the amazing art skills. Asansol's resident artist Sushant Roy made his pearl with wax in memory of actor Soumitra Chattopadhyay. Amazing talent being praised across the state. Breaking news Frontliner, London, 21st December. The whole of Britain is on the way to complete lockdown as the news of coronavirus spreads again. London is in action lockdown. Various countries have issued a ban on transportation in Britain as new infection spreads. France has sealed the UK border. India shuts down all the Britain's flights. Britain in panic at the news of infection. News Frontliner Web Desk, December 21st, Gujarat. SFI Gujarat held candle rallies at 4 locations of the state to pay tribute to the martyrs of the farmers' movement since last 3 months. More than 30 farmers have been martyred so far, and the government continues to show indifferent attitude towards them as farmers fight their indomitable attitude. News Frontliner Web Desk, Kashmir on 22nd December. CPIM 5 in 5 in Jammu and Kashmir Alliance fights. Huge win from PAGD, Gupkar Alliances, BJP in full swing. CPM's fight 5 seats in Kulgam district on behalf of PAGD Alliance led by Farooq Abdullah of National Conference. Results shows CPIM won 5 seats. News Frontliner Web Viewer, West Medinipur, 23rd December. Crowd overflows at the Left Congress joint meeting demanding the cancellation of agriculture bill including municipal elections in Kharagpur, West Medinipur. The Left Congress leadership along with Mohammad Salim gave a speech. News Frontliner Web Desk, December 22nd. Cosmic events observed on Earth. A Saturn on top and Jupiter with 3 moons below. Telescopic camera photography in the US. News Frontliner Web Desk, New Delhi on 22nd December. On that day, SFI organizes solidarity march with protesting farmers at Tikri border. SFI General Secretary Mayuk Biswas, All India President VP Sanu, SFI's Haryana State President Vinod Gill and State Secretary Surinder took part in this march in support of farmers including hundreds of students. Hashtag Stand with Farmers Challenge. News Frontliner Web Desk, Bankura, December 23rd. The left has protested and roadblocked in Bankura Jangal Mahal demanding withdrawal of Central Agricultural Law and purchase of paddy of Rs 1,888 per quintal at government aid price. All India Krishak Sabha on Wednesday, Raipur Block Committee's procession was held in the area. At the same time, the Pratiki road was blocked for a while at the Raipur traffic turn. News Frontliner Web Desk, South Dinajpur, Balurghat, Shushan Kundu, 23rd December. Wednesday at 4 p.m. on behalf of the Communist Party of India, Marxist, Balurghat City Number Committee to the Balurghat Subdivision ruler gave deputation in the form of representative on the basis of 6-point demands. After returning from deputation, the Communist Party of India, Marxist, is the #1 area of Balurghat city. Just an information. News Frontliner Web Desk, New Delhi, 23rd December. Truly Times, new newspaper of farmers. This type of newspaper is in a special need of farmers' leadership today. Facebook, Twitter has a censor. Here is to a limit you can resist. But own media, own newspaper have no censors. News Frontliner Web Desk, Asansol, December 24th. Nirupam Sen was the most skilled minister of the state's left cabinet and emerged as the leadership of one of the CPM's most successful organizations. On his death anniversary, Nirupam Sen Memorial Lecture was held at Robindra Bhavan in Asansol on the topic of this country, this time, this state, our responsibility and duty. News frontliner web desk Bhatpara, 24th December. Political terrorism has been going on in South Chowbish Pargona, Jagodal and Bhatpara since the political escape. Besides attacking the houses of the left supporters, the party office of the left is taken over by the miscreants of the area. When the game of changing parties is going on all over the states, it is clear that the fight of the leftists to occupy the highway. The people of Bhatpara Jagadal region have become psychopathic in the anti-social distance. Now the war is going on to free the party office of the leftists with the people of the area. On that day, a party office like this was almost closed and destroyed since 2013. This party office was recovered by local CPIM workers and the locals. News frontliner web desk, Purulia, 24 December. The rally from Purulia took the face of almost a flow of people in Horat, Purulia. Dwarf leader Omyo Patro and youth leader Meenakshi Mukherjee gave a speech in the rally of the leftists. Historical struggle in Delhi came out as a result of the policy of the country. The lives and livelihoods of most people in the country are in danger today. The demands of the people are backward based on the game of team changing in the state. From the call for the united struggle, the voice was called to immediately defeat the anti-public BJP and overthrow the anti-democratic Trinamool Congress from power in this rally. News frontliner web desk, Jalangi, 26 December. Today, there was a huge presence of people in the march of the leftists from Jalangi to Bhaduripara. In the fight against the agricultural law in the country, the Farmer Society of the country is leading the movement in Bengal. The leftist farmers organization has joined with them and the left youth organization DYFI. The crowd of people at the mass rally were saying like #StandWithFarmersChallenge. News frontliner web desk, Chandan Nagar, 25th December. Environmental and social workshop celebrated. According to the earlier announcement, the Environmental Fair 2020 instead of Chandan Nagar Environment Fair 2020. On the call of Environment Academy, Chandan Nagar and cooperative organizations, the Environment and Social Workshop started on 25th December at the Barabazar premises. Dr. Harendranath Bhattacharya, the former head of the Environment Department of Presidency University, inaugurated the conference. News frontliner web desk, Birbhum, 26 December. Special Anubrata's average leftist party office recovery program after the political change in 2011. This party office of Rampur Hat has been occupied. Now the leftist has shown their power by occupying the party office. News frontliner web desk, South Dinajpur, Sushant Kundu, 27 December. In front of the 50th anniversary of the Student Federation of India on 30th December, in every police station area of South Dinajpur district, educational materials were distributed to the students as well as felicitating SFI alumni and the students. News frontliner web desk, Nandigram, 27th December. Left and Congress's Nandigram police station was surrounded by floods for Nandigram Square. Saddam Hussain, the son of former leftist MLA Ilyas, was present in the processions with red flag. That Ilyas, who was hanged by Shankudev Panda by doing false sting operations, and the Trinamool leader of that time, Shubhendu Adhikari, was behind the whole incident. Here I am ending the weekly news of News Frontliner. Thank you, and I wish you all a belated Merry Christmas and in advance Happy New Year 2021.